Hi guys, so hello. I'm so happy because I was able to make a vlog again. It's been a month, more than a month I since my last or not my last since I work, so it's quite different now. My schedule are very different compared to when's the time that I was able to update you almost every day, and most of the time I am watching also some live stream of the other live streamer or vlogger on YouTube. So for the update, it was just very simple because I can tell that I'm quite busy for a while. If you are following me, guys, or if you subscribing on my channel, I sometimes upload videos, and I really tried to do some live stream, even or aside from my schedule. It was difficult to me to adjust, not on my job, but here on here on YouTube. For how many days my signal was so weak, I had my I have my load until now, so it's been 3 days, and I was always using Wi-Fi or Peso Wi-Fi closed here on the staff house. So I don't like it because there was a time, or there are many times happened already, that I had to put coins, and I was not able to post the Wi-Fi. So yeah, for me it's not that really good, but I've been saying that every day, but most of the time. So maybe I should say that. Okay, so today was my break time. It started like 1 p.m. So I'm going to be until 6 p.m. This afternoon. It's currently 3 p.m. and I was not able to sleep yet. So I don't feel sleepy yet. Hopefully I will feel sleepy very soon. But let's see. So I didn't do anything, guys. I just had my hair lying on this bed. So yeah, it was just a relaxing day, and I was just thinking of walking outside, but maybe I will be walking the next time. Instead, I have to rest a little bit because I got again my runny nose. So yeah, a week ago I have this, and then it's gone because I took some medicine for it. So this one started yesterday or 2 days ago, and it's still there. So I have to take some rest, a good rest, because my schedule yesterday was the same on 6 a.m. until 1, then break time 1 to 6 p.m. and then back again 6 p.m. until 10 p.m. So that's my schedule, and if you had if you have this schedule, then you have to your body or my body is adjusting if I can go to sleep, or either I can make some shorts, vlogs, or something like that. So yeah, it feels, I'm just alone here, nobody's around, so I can rest, I can lie down, I can put my feet up, something like that. So nobody will disturb me, you know. So yeah. What other things? I try to go out every night with friends, and just going around, walking. Well, we watched yesterday a band. They are singing on the front beach, and it was good. So, and then after that, going home, rest, and then duty again. So I feel not sleepy right now. I had my 2 glass of coffee this morning. Well, it's not 2, 1 and something half only. So I'm going to update you guys on what's going on, and I have something to show you guys. So I bought my Christmas party dress, and the dress arrived 2 days ago. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks like. Here we go. I have to climb on my bed. So here we go. I don't know if you will like this, but if you like, guys, then feel free to comment down below if you like this one. I don't know if I already showed you on this one on my last vlog, but here we go. This is how it looks. Shein. So let's take a look. I already fit this yesterday, and it was good. Only in the hip part, it's quite little big compared to my hips, but let's try to open it. I got some pimples here. Okay, so this one, let me just try to put my phone over here. Let's open it. Hopefully it's going to be very delicious. Ito siya, guys. So meron siyang pa-flower. Let's try. Ito. So I bought also a bra for the nipples. I think I don't need it anymore. So this is the front. Ito yung front niya. I don't know why I chose this one. How much is this? It's 1,068 pesos. Look, this one. Ito yung sa front, and then this one is on the back. Ito siya, guys. Ano siya? Cross at the back. So tapos meron siyang ganito, guys. Ito sa back ito. Tapos kita yung likod, and naka-backless. Ayan. So this part, itong part, medyo maluwag siya sa ano ko, sa likod. But yeah, it's still fine. It's still good. Ayan. Shein. comment down below kung maganda siya, guys. Ayan, ito yung back. Ito yung front. Alright, so that's it for my dress. Tapos, meron din ako nabili na ano, guys. This one naman is for ano, for ganito. Ito siya. Hindi ko alam kung ano tawag dito. Bra accessories. Ito naman, how much is this? 133. Ito siya, guys. Ididikit mo lang to sa boobs mo. Ayan o. Ito. So, madikit pa. Ayan, nakadikit lang yan. I thought that I will need this. Pero hindi ko naman siya pala kailangan kasi nakita niyo na yung dress. Meron naman na siya naka-ready na pangharap. So, ayun. Maybe I can use this if I'm going to wear some backless. Yeah. So, ayun lang. Ito pa lang yung mga na-order ko. But, iuwi ko naman din to siya sa bahay kasi ayoko yung marami ako ditong gamit. Kasi nga ang hirap mag-ayos. Ayan, kasi ibalik ko to. Bali yung kulang ko na lang is sandals. Ay, meron din ako nabili na shoes. Dumating na yung na-order ko sa bahay. Hindi ko na naantok na ako. So, ito is a time for me to take my nap. Ayun lang, guys. So, ayun. Mag-end na muna ako, guys. Update ko kayo mamaya. I-rest ko lang itong mata ko. And then, back to work na naman. Mamaya, mga 6 pa naman.